Hi everyone. In today's video, we will discuss that how we can create carousels using Canva. As you all know that the Instagram 2025 update, we have to make portrait posters. So, our length of poster will be 1350 and the width will be 1080. Right? So, if we are going to make 7 slides in a carousel, what we will do? We will multiply 1080 by 7. It will be 7560, right? We can't make 8 slides in Canva because the Canva has some limitation and can't support 8 slides. So the maximum slides that Canva support is 7 slides. So what we will do that we will go to Canva and select the custom size and write 7560 and the height will be 1350. Click on create new design. So here we have black canvas. Now first what we will do that we will go to file, go to settings and add grids. And now write 7 columns and 0 gaps and 8 grids. Now you have 7 slides. Now start designing. Go to elements and you can upload your pictures as well if you want to add to your design. So I have completed my design. Now what you will do that you will go to share and download. Use PNG or JPG up to you and click download. Once you download the design, go to this website pinetools.com and choose the file. Now select the file and open it. Select horizontal and write the quantity of blocks, which is 7, and then click split image. Now download the zip file. Once you download the zip file, extract the zip file. Alright, so here you see all the posters. Now you can upload it on your socials. Thank you.